Wow! Oh my God. It's beautiful.
Yeah. Look at that.
It's like the one I
got a
was.
paint job.
It's like the one I was showing you. The red one. It's beautiful.
Look back, it's a T-top, sweetie. Or not a T-top,
Convertible.
it's a convertible. Look, this whole
Oh,
paint
nice.
comes off. Wow.
Look at inside.
Yeah.
It's like the one I was showing you.
Yeah, that is freaking awesome.
I like the color, this kind of red.
What's it got? An 8 liter? 8 V8?
It's got a V8 and it's got a 260. A 260, I think.
Wow.
Oh, the old school? Yeah, old school V8.
Look at that. It's so big. I mean, it's wide.
Oh, wow. Yeah, look at that. Come, sweetie, look at this. Let's even got the Ford blue colors. Those are the Ford blue colors.
Oh my God. And this is the one I'm telling you that I was looking. It's color red too.
Wow.
It's nice.
Damn.
So-
283, right? Is it a 283?
283 is the Chevrolet. 289.
Oh, 289 Ford.
But this is a 260.
Mm.
Well, even the tire, look at
I
that.
think this is the first V8 they made.
Wow. Yeah, that's something else, man. That is something else.
Nice.
Have you guys already went out cruising it a little bit?
No. He was
No?
brought home last couple weeks ago.
Whoop, whoop. It won't go down. I don't want to force it. I guess you got to do the.
I don't know.
Oh my God.
I didn't want to mess with that paint.
Oh,
You help him, sweetie.
All right, here, hold over here.
Wow, that's beautiful.
That's nice, man.